ano yung tips na binigay sa'yo ni Dia Mate? Para mag-back to back?
No, not specifically back to back, but to do my best to represent the country. Well, first of all, of course, with my outfits, kailangan prepared ako sa malamig. Kasi most of the time, we're gonna be in cold places. Number two is to always be honest and be kind to the organization, of course, and to the queens. They could be sometimes intimidating because they do speak their own language and only Filipinas and US don't know how to speak English. So, ang advice nila sa akin is to be nice, be kind, huwag magpapa-apekto sa mga Latina kasi sometimes they could really be intimidating. And just always be in my A-game, be well prepared. I do ask for advice kung maganda ba itong mga outfits ko, kung okay ba itong mga gifts ko. She also advised me to bring dried mangoes for the judges, which I will be. And fun fact, I don't eat mangoes. I hate mangoes, guys. May no gusto mango, manga, no. So, ayun.
Parang dalawang Asian countries lang yung sumali this year.
Me and India.
And then European na ito. Okay, good luck.
Thank you.